Hi Marjorie, this is Richard at Tameron Honda. I want to thank you so much for your online inquiry on our Honda Civic Coupe in blue. Got that car. It is available and ready for immediate delivery. So please call me at 205-541-2862 so I can set you up with a VIP appointment and test drive. I'll have the car pulled up, gassed up, ready for you to take it for a spin. Make this the easiest car buying experience possible. Again, my name is Richard. My number is 205-541-2862. And when you come into Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.